Today, we're diving into the wild world of replacing the intake air filter on your trusty Jeep Patriot. But don't worry, this ain't rocket science. It's so simple, even your grandma's pet parrot could do it. It's time to remove this air intake. Those screws holding it in place, they're like plastic vaults. Spin them counterclockwise and prepare to unveil the treasure. Gently lift the intake. But wait, there's more. Grab your trusty flat screwdriver and show that intake hose who's boss. Pop. It's out. Now, for some ninja moves, remove that sneaky back hose too. After those heroic hose removals, pop open the treasure chest, aka the box where the filter resides. Flip those brackets like a pro, and voila. The old filter is there, ready for its retirement party. Now, say hello to your shiny new air filter, the hero of the day. It's got holes that are practically screaming, "Put me in the right way." So, channel your inner puzzle master and align everything perfectly. Those brackets? Flip them again. And look, the filter box has guides and holes that are practically begging to be reunited. Give it a satisfying push and you'll know it's in its happy place. Time to reunite the air hoses. One small one in the back and the big burly intake hose in the front. Don't forget to tighten the clamp because we don't want any surprise escapes. Now, channel your inner perfectionist and double-check everything. You're practically an air filter surgeon at this point. Finally, put that plastic intake back exactly where it was, and boom, you've just pulled off the most epic air filter replacement ever. Your Jeep Patriot is breathing easy again thanks to your heroic efforts. So there you have it, folks. Replacing an air filter has never been this entertaining. If you enjoyed this adventure, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic car DIYs, and share this video with your fellow Jeep-loving buddies. Until next time, happy wrenching.